Hey everyone, Lenovo just unveiled the Zhaoyang K11, their newest tablet offering, which was first made available in China. This tablet, which is positioned as a lower-end entertainment gadget, has a large 2K display and a 4G Snapdragon processor. It's interesting to note that plans exist to sell it internationally, albeit with a new name, rather than simply within China's boundaries. As per TheTechOutlook, the Lenovo Zhaoyang K11 has been spotted on multiple certification databases, such as Demko, TUV, and TDRA, where it has been identified under the name Lenovo Tab K11 Plus. This tablet has been identified with two model numbers, TB352FU and TB352XU. The Wi-Fi only model is identified by TB352FC, while the Wi-Fi and LTE variant carries the TB352XU model number. These certifications hint at a broader market reach, with the Lenovo Tab K11 Plus set to launch in both Wi-Fi only and Wi-Fi and LTE configurations. The Demko certification specifically mentions testing with 15 watts and 20 watts chargers, highlighting the device's potential charging capabilities. The expectation is that the Tab K11 Plus will maintain similar specifications to the original Zhaoyang K11. In terms of specifications, the Zhaoyang K11 tablet boasts an 11.5-inch IPS display with 2K resolution, 400 nits of brightness, and a 90 Hz refresh rate, promising a vibrant and smooth viewing experience. Noteworthy features include TUV low blue light and flicker-free certifications, catering to users concerned about eye strain. For photography enthusiasts, the tablet offers an 8-megapixels front camera and a 13-megapixels rear camera setup. Audio is not neglected either, with Lenovo providing a quad-speaker arrangement along with dual microphones to enhance multimedia experiences. Smooth performance for multitasking and media consumption is ensured by the Zhaoyang K11's Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 SoC, which is housed behind its elegant appearance, and comes with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. It is powered by the ZUI 16 operating system, which is based on Android 14 and has an intuitive interface. For tablets, battery life is frequently a critical consideration. Lenovo addresses this by including an 8600 mAh battery with 20 watts rapid charging capability, which should let users to use their tablets for extended periods of time between recharges. All things considered, the Lenovo Zhaoyang K11, shortly to be known worldwide as the Lenovo Tab K11 Plus, brings a compelling blend of performance, multimedia capabilities, and display quality, helping to satisfy a broad spectrum of consumers looking for a feature-rich yet reasonably priced tablet experience. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.